Welcome back to BLVD.com. I am Dan the Wheelchair Van Man. Today we're going to take a look at an option. It's a 2024 GMC Acadia with an FMI Freedom Motors power rear entry modification. Now we'll take a look up front first. It's kind of one of the main selling points on these modifications that with it being a power rear entry, really it's not meant to support a driver's needs. So our front driver and passenger areas, they have not been modified in any way, shape, or form. But it is important to note that if you're looking to support the needs of a driver, this example is probably not going to be best to support those needs. If you subscribe to our channel, you can check out hundreds of videos we got reviewing different products available for both driver and passengers. This one specifically here, again, if you got a child or older family member, this is an ideal option. Again, almost as though no modification has been complete. Once we get to our second row, we'll still maintain the ability for additional passengers. You can see here the lowered floor does come up just behind the front row. These are aftermarket buckets, which just allow for a little bit more room in between those seats so the wheelchair user could come all the way up and in. To operate this modification, we do have a key fob. Now this vehicle does come equipped with the factory power liftgate. So I'll start off by hitting open. That's going to trigger my factory power liftgate. Now the vehicle I have detected, you are not able to have the vehicle running while you operate the modification. Liftgate open, go ahead, come back to my remote, hit open, continue to hold it while my ramp unfolds. This here, you can see that rear entry is going to stay between the frame rails. It is pretty simple modification. However, some of the fit and finishes compared to Braun and other products, not quite the same. However, Braun Ability, VMI, and others simply do not offer products like this to compete against. So overall, it's a very, very flexible floor plan. Come back and close it. Come to our close. Vehicle will come equipped with restraints to secure the wheelchair, both the wheelchair as well as the occupant themselves. But you can shop over 5,000 new and used wheelchair accessible vehicles completely hassle-free online at your convenience at blvd.com. We have inventory from dealers nearby, all of their listings to your area, as well as you can expand your search and scour the entire country, where we got vehicles listed for sale from dealers, private sellers. Nationwide shipping, as well as online financing that can be completed in a matter of hours, 100% online. If you have any questions or comments, or any videos that you would like to specifically learn more about, let us know. Search over 5,000 new and used wheelchair vans at blvd.com.